Today, we're diving into Google's latest flagship phone, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This new release follows last year's Pixel 8 Pro and comes with some exciting upgrades. If you're using an older Pixel model like the Pixel 4, 5, or even the 6 Pro, this video is for you. Let's break down what makes the Pixel 9 Pro XL a top contender in the smartphone market. The Pixel 9 Pro XL brings a significant redesign that sets it apart from its predecessor. The slightly curved sides that made the Pixel 8 Pro easier to hold are now gone. In their place, we have a completely flat design, reminiscent of recent iPhones and Samsung's Galaxy S24 series. The flat design gives the phone a modern and sleek look, but it might not be as comfortable to hold in use as the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is larger in every dimension, taller, wider, thicker, and heavier than the Pixel 8 Pro. While the differences in size aren't huge, they're noticeable enough to mention. The phone's increased size combined with a flat design could impact how it feels in your hand, especially during extended use. On the back of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, there's another big change. The camera island, which used to stretch across the back of the phone, is now a separate feature. This redesign gives the phone a fresh look while still maintaining the recognizable design language of the Pixel lineup. The Pixel 9 Pro XL comes in 4 stunning colors: obsidian, porcelain, hazel, and rose quartz. For comparison, the Pixel 8 Pro is available in obsidian, porcelain, and bay. The new color options offer a bit more variety, allowing you to choose a shade that best matches your style. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9 Pro XL is its display. It features a slightly larger 6.8-inch Super Actua OLED screen with an incredibly smooth 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. The peak brightness has been bumped up to an impressive 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest displays on the market. The screen also offers a high resolution with QHD plus quality, ensuring vibrant and crisp visuals. In comparison, the Pixel 8 Pro's screen is a bit smaller at 6.7 inches and has a slightly lower maximum brightness of 2400 nits. However, it's still a smooth and vibrant OLED display that holds its own against many competitors. Like its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro XL includes an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Pixel 8 Pro had an optical scanner, which, while functional, was generally considered less accurate and slower. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by the new Tensor G4 chipset, built on a Fortin process. This new chipset focuses heavily on on-device artificial intelligence capabilities, enhancing the phone's ability to handle complex tasks without relying on cloud processing. Unlike the 9-core Tensor G3, the Tensor G4 has 8 cores. While the Tensor G3 wasn't the fastest in benchmarks, it performed well in everyday use. Intelligence-powered tools like Magic Editor, Magic Eraser, Best Take, Photo Unblur, Zoom Enhance, and Portrait Light. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is equipped with a 5600 mAh battery, just slightly larger than the 5500 mAh battery in the Pixel 8 Pro. While the difference in capacity is minimal, the new Tensor G4 chip might be more efficient, potentially improving battery life. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.